In this video, we will try to understand what Ohm's law is. Ohm's law is a formula used to calculate the relationship between voltage, current and resistance in an electrical circuit. To the students of electronics and electrical engineering, Ohm's law is fundamentally important. When spelled out, it means voltage is equal to current into resistance. Now, if two of these values are known, then we can modify the Ohm's law to calculate the third one. We have to modify the pyramid as follows. If you know voltage and current and want to know resistance, then modified formula is R is equal to V by I. Note, resistance cannot be measured in an operating circuit, so Ohm's law is specially used when it needs to be calculated. Rather than shutting off the circuit to measure resistance, a technician can determine resistance using the previously discussed variation of Ohm's law, that is R is equal to V by I. Now, if you know the voltage and resistance and want to know the current, then the formula is I is equal to V by R. And if you know the current and resistance and want to know the voltage, then the formula is V is equal to IR. Now, the definition of Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the electric current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the voltage and inversely proportional to its resistance. In a nutshell, the relation between the voltage drop, current and the resistance is as follows. V is equal to IR, where V is the potential drop, I is the current and R is the resistance of the conductor. For better understanding of Ohm's law, now we will discuss some practical problems based on a simple series circuit which includes just one source of voltage, that is a battery, and a resistance, that is a lamp. Two values are known in each example. We have to use Ohm's law to calculate the third one. Now, we will discuss three examples as follows. Example 1. If voltage and resistance is known, then we have to find the current flow through the circuit. Example 2. If voltage and current are known, then we have to find the resistance of the circuit. The last example, example number 3, if current and resistance are known, then we have to find the voltage. Also, Ohm's law can be used to validate the static values of current components, current levels, voltage supplies and voltage drop. If, for example, a test instrument detects a higher than normal current flow measurement, it could mean that resistance has decreased or the voltage has increased, causing a high voltage situation. This could indicate a supply or circuit issue. In a DC circuit, lower than normal current measurement could mean that the voltage has decreased or circuit resistance has increased. Possible causes for increased resistance are poor or loose contact, corrosion and or damaged component. Please note that always loads within a circuit draw on electric current. A load can be any sort of component. Small electrical component, motor, computer, washing machine, TV, etc. Please remember, if the voltage is constant, then I varies as 1 by R. Means if the resistance is decreased, then the current increases and vice versa. I hope you understand what Ohm's law is.